What the? What is this now? And those idiots, they are hogging their legs.
Shuttle drink.
Okay. Got on our final stop called Circular Tour. Oh my god. What the? What is this now? Jesus Christ. Bro, I am in love. I'm seriously in love. Sydney Harbour I'm seeing now. Fuck. Okay, we took many photos from here. Like full photos now. Yeah. Now it's time we go down. I think we'll take the ferry and go somewhere, I think. But yeah, okay. Cool. Okay. So yeah, Jesus. Loss of words, but we'll go down. We'll go to ferry or something. Hey, pa. Tell your reaction for first time seeing Harbour Bridge.
In night also you put little light on the water.
It's still blue, no? Yeah.
How was it blue? Bro?
Seriously.
Maintained so much.
And there are so many seagulls here.
Yeah, seagulls. It feels the sound that they make feels like, you know, it's as if some monkeys flying.
No, they also have rules now. Like they can't take shit on some people and they'll be fined.
Now we're planning to go on some ferry.
Ferry no only.
Yeah.
Not now. Well, going back. Sydney ferry.
Look at that.
Oh, okay.
Traveling to
Kissing point.
Come, we'll go and kiss each other. You guys haven't done that.
They're not even near to being almost local. Okay, boys. Bad news. No train. I mean, no ferry for today. It's closed. So we have to go back by tram or bus only. Hey, we'll take the bus this time. We were just walking to the Opera House. We took a small left turn we took. And we got a way better view of Sydney Harbour. Just look at this. This is crazy. What, you're seeing menu here?
Before he calls us.
There is more this one is Sheraton.
35, bro. 35.
Pasta. $42. How much, yeah?
What is that?
One pasta.
Walla burger. What is that? Wall burger.
Walla burger.
Yeah, that.
Oh, that guy. Wahlberg burgers. Come here. You see that? Before, yeah, your seagull is here. See, he's following the rules. See, seagull. He's not doing anything. Run, catch, no, run, catch. Singapore skyline, sexy. Singapore skyline. Why did I say Singapore? Huh?
That's what Singapore.
I was also thinking, why did I say Singapore?
Yeah, it's
Sydney skyline. This Salesforce. Finally got the whole view of Opera House. We've still gone here, but yeah, crazy. this Skylander starts here. Harbour Bridge. Opera House. One of the best. You have to come back here when there's daylight. Sidhu also, yeah. Just in shock.
you go again.
You should go alone. Again night and all you want to come here. Wow. Too good. Too fucking good. Bale and
Then this is, imagine you come here for a walk or a run in the night, fucking your mind gets cleared. Crisp
we can
air.
actually come run
You can
here.
actually, yeah, you can sit in a train, come off from Parramatta, you can come all the way. Not that far.
It's not that far also, but
Aram se you can come. Clear your mind. Air is also peaceful.
hey, air is where we are getting intoxicated. Oh my god. This is crazy. I didn't know it was this huge,
I
huh?
usually see only the lotus part of it.
Finished our sightseeing. Very suddenly and very drastically, the temperature plummeted. Suddenly down to like 2 bags. That's why full jacket, everything. We'll try wall burgers. Apparently we're trying wall burgers. We'll see how much it is. Okay. Anyways, Wahlberg was too costly, so we came to McDonald's. But before that, look at this tram lines. Fuck. My god. I am still getting used to this. Our channel name to become true is gonna take a little too long. We are not even almost. I'll get local. And another example is we came to McDonald's, McD, and apparently McD doesn't have veg burgers in Sydney. So me and Nipul, we are drinking water. Me and Nipul are roaming from that time for veg. Something veg. Some small veg at least. Nothing veg is there. Oh no. What you love, like, okay. Hey, there's nothing, it's over, Nipul. We'll have vegan patty, we'll have somewhere.
That is
Veggie
okay.
burgers.
That was some $2-3 also okay. Fucking $18. 1,000 rupees for the beetroot beer.
Oh, we are cracking the day pizza. This pizza one. This pizza one.
It's a mushroom.
Yeah, it's a bit too costly. We are the most worst, like, so low. Can't be more lower than this place. Nothing we are. They are eating their McDonald's easily. We are roaming like an idiot. We will go down. What to do then? Finally, after searching for so long, we found some Hungry Jacks where they had proper some veggie burger. I don't know how it will be, but okay. We paid how much for? 9,000 rupees per burger. For one burger. Yes. And those idiots, they are hogging their legs. Idiots. They finished off also. Huh?
Not my
We need come.
Man.
drink.
Shuttle drink.
Your dog also drinks that.
Hey, drink da.
What a fucking
I just only drink da.
Press da. Hey, don't put mouth on that da. Drink da.
Hey, enough. How much?
Hey, motherfucker,
Squirt da.
Hey, enough. Come.
Come, let's go.
Hey,
Just came back from ferry.
Hey, where are you going?
no.
Fucking cold.
Location, huh?
I put, what is that thing called?
Good and bad decision at the same time.
Oh, it was too fucking cold. We didn't lock the ferry because
Dead.
I was dead.
Fingers weren't
Oh, it's
working.
not showing anything, right?
That screen will switch off after some time. See, I thought these two were sitting upstairs.
Sitting upstairs, what view, what building. 10:50.
Almost, yeah, 10:50.
No, not one person inside. Empty as fuck.
Was it time?
10:50.
10:50. We still have to go in bus to Fort Paramata.
Today is the day we started using public transportation. We
all-
covered train, ferry, and now we're gonna utilize bus.
But very we didn't vlog, so next time that is.
Yeah, guys. So
All
sorry.
the next time I'm coming.
Hey.
You don't come, I'll come down.
You're fine.
Like on chikki, no da.
Hey, in summer we'll come. We'll ferry.
You come.
Morning will come.
Look at me, even more black.
But will come in the morning. Basically, weather seems okay. Fine, we'll take the bus and we'll go home now. Enough. What? We've come like on tourist sightseeing. We're coming. Student winning tourist here.
Hey, this and all you should do da. It's all part of
We have
life.
to do. First day only we're doing.
So go like this,
beach,
we
beach we'll vlog mad.
Oh, beach vlog. Yeah, that maybe next week or something.
Not next week, for after 2 days.
Oh,
Look at these buildings, bro.
again we have to go to Whitefield. Whitefield and thing. What is that? No, that Westfield.
Westfield. Whitefield. You
Westfield.
go back there to Bangalore, best.
Again we have to go to Westfield tomorrow.
But guys,
It
we
doesn't
saw
deserve
on Church Street though. This is on Church Street that we saw now.
Church
Church
Street.
Street.
is there, yeah. So that's what we have to go to Westfield again tomorrow. We didn't take the bank account.
You were too late today.
Tomorrow
Did the
we have to
jack
go.
shit.
And Bupa insurance card.
Oh,
also. We have work.